What's up, guys? Back with another video. If you're wondering who these people are, these are my friends. But for what you're seeing right here is a Shark vacuum cleaner. So yeah, let's just show you guys what a piece of crap this machine is. So yeah, let's just give it a good run here. Yeah, it's very loud. So. Yeah, it's not a very good machine, so we're gonna destroy the crap out of it. So yeah, let's dip it in this water here too, see how well it'll like it. Aww. You poor thing.
Come on, guys, get it!
Let's immerse it.
Stop!
Let's immerse this thing in the water.
What?
Oh, the brush is working. Oh wow, I just fixed the brush roll. Let's dip it in the water some more. I just fixed the brush roll. I just fixed it.
Electrocuted me. That's it.
Well, it didn't like that very much, did it? Now. Well, it didn't really like that too much. So guys, this is what happened so far. It's not apparently trying to like it. So let's put this thing back on here.
I got electrocuted. My hand has I got
Let's
electrocuted.
suck it up with the hose. See how it'll look up on that. Alright.
I think you broke it. Where'd that break?
Alright, let's see how well it does with the hose. Let's see. We got something. Good something. Alright. It's not doing so well. It's failing. The motor doesn't sound that healthy on it, does it now? Hey, you guys, I think he fixed it. Hit the motor. Hit the motor. Flip it on the back. It's steaming. It's steaming. It ain't smoke, it's steaming. Hit right here. Right here. Right there. It was like a buzz. Like it was like a buzz. I didn't really get shocked. It was like a buzz. Besides, guys, do not try this at home. This is really dangerous.
over here.
It's not doing very good. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Do not try this at home, guys. Alright, let's plug it back in, see what happens.
No, I don't want to get electrocuted. No.
Well, move the bike out of the way.
Alright.
Alright, let's see what happens. It didn't seem to work, so we gotta go extreme on it. So what we got here is some weights. So let's see how it performs on that. You gotta, there you go. That motor's already starting to sound different. Come on, bro. No, you gotta be stronger than that. We're trying to burn out the motor. This vacuum is actually pretty tough.
So freaking loud. It hurts my ears.
Alright, let's try.
Watch out. I'm about to body slam this thing.
Alright,
Not just
let's-
go it, just hit it.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, let's try it. If you're wondering what we're trying to do, guys, we're actually trying to burn out the motor. We're trying to get rid of this piece of crap
Let me
machine.
use that because this is full of metal, so it makes
Yeah.
You're back strong.
What's this?
There's still inside that. There's 5 layers of steel in that.
What's
That's
this? A crevice tool?
way too-
Yes, it's a crevice tool. Come on, hit it hard.
Oh, it's in the face.
This one you can hit harder.
Wait, that's mine.
That hard. That's hard.
Alright.
Watch out. Throw it.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's see what that did. Alright, I'm plugging it in.
Wait, not yet. One more. No.
Alright, I'm plugging it in.
What's the running doing? Stop.
It doesn't sound that good no more.
Watch out. You missed.
Wow.
Watch out. Cut out. Look what I put in. I put in a dent.
burn out!
Watch out! It's gonna catch on fire! It's about to catch on fire.
Oh, you smell that? Ooh. That smells pretty good.
Oh yeah, Jake's mom came out.
Ooh, yeah, that's a nice,
We're destroying it.
that's a nice, delicious smell we got there.
Alright, done with the cooler.
So much with
Wait,
this.
let's see if we can still start.
Yeah, let's see if we can destroy the motor. Come on, we need to burn it out. The motor's right there.
What? Sir?
Put my weights back up and stop throwing stuff into it and clean that mess up.
I will. Alright, we're done with the motor. Like, yeah. But we actually took everything.
Let's see if we can burn it out.
We can
Because
keep-
we're, oh, let's see if I can take the motor out. Yeah,
Alright, go.
we don't have much left
Look,
to do.
go put the weight up. My dad said go put the weight up first. Go put the weight up.
Well, who's the one that got the weed out?
That one was
So we're trying to burn the motor.
Did you hit it with the bat one time? Oh. The motor's out. There we go.
Alright, we just need to hit this. Oh man, that motor is,
God, that thing's hot.
yeah, it is hot. Alright, plug it back in.
No, we're not plugging it in again.
Yeah, we are.
It's way smaller.
Alright, guys.
We're gonna get blow up in front of my face. Alright, now,
Alright guys, we're gonna try and blow this thing up. We're trying as best as we can.
send that to me after.
Oh, it's humming. It's humming. Look at this. Oh, nice burn. Nice burn.
Dude! Get the water hose ready.
Oh. Done. Alright, unplug it. Unplug it.
Water hose ready.
Boom. The motor burned out.
No,
We did it.
Watch out, watch out.
Alright. Yeah, spray it with water.
I don't want this thing to blow up my yard. It's on fire a little bit. I saw
No, it flamed up, dude. We did it. We destroyed it.
Hold that, you can hold it. No, hold it when I get on to you.
Yeah, it does stink. But guys, we did it. That's the thing. We did it. So guys,
Look at all the parts. Anybody needs parts, just right.
Yeah. if you need parts, there you go. So we have successfully destroyed the Shark Rotator vacuum cleaner. We did it.
It got, this thing's so hot.
Yeah, it's the cord hot because it normally is. It is. Just as I expected. So yep, there you go.
Here, look at all the stuff we damaged.
Yeah, let's have a look at that motor. Oh yeah, that motor is done though. It's done. It's completely toast. It's done.
Look at all the stuff we used.
But yeah, if you need parts, there you go. So, ooh, PU, that stinks. Electrical smell. But yeah, we did it.
Alright, this is all the stuff we used. If y'all need to destroy
Yeah,
them.
if you guys want to know, we used a weight, a bat.
We really
Yeah,
didn't use that. We really didn't use that much.
Yeah,
but
but
you
even
can.
really use
This
this.
is a hanger that you hang your Dang
We
it.
used a hammer, a piece of wood, and a brick. So
Can you go put my dad's weight back up between me?
yeah. So yeah, that pretty much does it for this vacuum cleaner.
What happened here?
I don't know what had happened.
It was probably alright like that. Though.
Yeah.
Did you just reach it?
What? No, it was probably alright like that.
But yeah, that was awesome, bro. That was a cool burnout. Don't you think, Ethan? That was a cool.
Send that to me.
That was a cool burnout.
Send that to me.
I mean,
Alright.
that was a really cool burnout.
What if you wanted me to do it?
Yeah. Well, if I wasn't videoing, that would suck. But
Alright, go put my dad's
But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video.
Peace
That
out.
you saying that you like this video and comment on subscribe to the channel. So here's a little preview of what has happened.
Hey,
you
never
can
do
see
it
it's-
in grass. Never do it in the grass.
Do not attempt this yourself.
In the grass. In the grass.
Unless you have a parent with you.
Yes,
But we're professionals, so. Alright.
because we're not idiots like people out there. Because you gotta keep yourself safe, like from this type of stuff. You
And
gotta keep yourself safe.
my mom just checked on, so we're pretty.
Yeah, yeah. I'm the oldest one here, so I know what we're doing.
Alright, go put my
But yeah, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video, making sure that you did all of this. So so just let me know what video you want me to do next, and yeah,
Peace out.
Peace out.